Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to find out how you can add a drop cap inside a Word document. Let's get started.
Adding a drop cap inside a Word document is pretty simple. What you need to do is you need to come to the place where you need to insert the drop cap. So let's say we want the drop cap to be added here. So I would select this, and then what I would do is come to insert and then come all the way right down here, choose drop cap and then select drop cap options. You can choose dropped or in margin. Let me select dropped here. You can keep the font of the body or you could choose a font of your choice. I would say choose this particular font. I like this quite a lot, so I would use this. You could use any font that you want and then come to lines to drop and say I would put in 2 and then press OK. Yup, and the drop cap has been added.
Hope you found this useful. If you did like this, do share it with someone who may find this useful too. Thanks for watching.